or know it all, but I just want to say a special thank you. You made a great day for Roger today to stop here at the ranch and to stop and say hello, because each one of you guys are pretty special in Roger's mind. Snowmobiling has been my life for 57 years, and you guys are a part of that, or are continuing to be a part of that to keep that legacy going. And so you made my day to stop here and say hello. And I'd like to ask one more favor. I would like, I have a guest book in the house over there. If you guys would write your name in there and where you're from and what you do. Even if you chase girls, you gotta put that on the back. Tail, that would be you. Alright, again, just want to say a special thank you for you guys stopping here and saying this. I'm gonna put my clothes on and see if you're gonna go for a little ride, I'll go for a little ride. I'm not very fast anymore.
That's okay. I'd like to say a few words too, if I could. So it worked out very well for us to be able to come, for you guys to come to Thief River to ride a new product. It's even icing on the cake to be able to come to Rogers and do it. So thank you, Roger, for opening your home to us, and Bernice and your granddaughter for helping and getting all these food ready and stuff. But it is one of those special once in a lifetime situations to be able to do that with the release of our new catalyst, especially because that platform was developed with, you may not have turned a wrench on it recently, but everything that you taught us is a culmination of what's in that chassis. So you can take that to heart.
Most important thing is that it goes out there and gets to be the product that your customer expects, because your customer, he deserves that. He deserves something new, because he's paid his dues and he's been faithful for you guys and for the brand for years and years. So it's very critical that you continue to supply that to those customers.
Well, you used to say that I remember you were down in the shop and you'd be on the sled and I wish I could just crawl right up on top of this gas tank so I could get it to corner the way I wanted to. Well, that's what this new chassis was that kind of idea, is to get that weight right where you need it so that you do feel like you're right on top of the skis. So you have left a legacy with everything that we do in Cat Snowmobile engineering. So we appreciate that, Roger.
Well, thank you.
Thanks for having us out. Thank you, Roger.